Oh guys, what is up? I'm back on. This is Pixel Gun again. I'm sorry if I'm moving a lot right now. Okay, we're back on Pixel Gun. Just gotta wait for it to load. Oh, sorry about that, guys. It's loading. I mean, my Wi-Fi is good, but it's not that good. Cause look at it. Look how horrible it is. Look at that. But it's almost done, so I'm happy. Come on, game. Get ready. You know you want to. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go to Armory. I got 29 coins, and let's see what I can. Oh. Balloon. Okay. Ooh. What the heck? Too bad I took off the ray gun. I had this weapon, and I also had this weapon, and I had that one. Everyone starts with this one. The zombie slayer looks awesome. Mr. DJ. How is that gonna do damage? Okay. Keep it. Look at my snowball, guys. You like it? Let's get a gift. Let's see all you can. That's what we're gonna get. I'm so excited. Okay. Let's try one more time, though. Come on. Money. Yes! No! I need one more for them. For a gun. Dang it. I only have 34. So close for 35. And I could have gotten a fast pistol. Oh, get my reward. Yes! I got one. Just in time. Okay, I got 35. Here it is. I'm gonna get it. I got a new item. Now let's go to battle. Come on, game. We're taking too long. Guys, we gotta do team fight now. We always do deathmatch, and I sometimes lose a lot. So we're gonna go to Pirates. Why is there a few players on Pirates? This is one of the best maps I've made. Cause look at it. Look how beautiful it looks. It has to be good. It has to. I just know it. Okay, come on. Oh, okay. I wanna go battle. Please let me go battle. There's a lot. Oh, what the frick? I'll try it anyway. Frick you! Thanks for using that. Come on, guys, we're so close to win. Can't give up now. How? Oh. douchebag, you're the one that killed me. Oh no, guys, they're winning again. How? What's that? Ugly. Ah, dang it. He got me. Move, sir. Come on, guys. Come on. We were supposed to win, but these little... Oh, you just got wrecked. They should be here. Else I'm gonna help him. I'll take you down. He's bad. Run, dude! Run for it! Now I'm gonna murder him. Never mind. I just want you to bring someone. Wait, he killed me. How? Go, soldiers! We killed you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The comeback. Haha. The comeback. Never mind. Oh, now I know where that douchebag is. Yeet! I killed him, guys. Come on, let's go. Wait, what? He's back there again? How? That's... That's cute. We both got... Why? I got nothing for that. Can we all just get 1 coin and 3 XP? Oh, I'm just gonna kill you. Dumb brave lion. You suck at this game. Come on, douchebag. Come out, you know you want. Cause he's a noob. Wait, dude. How did he get me from that far? Wait, am I the only one? I'm with Sophia and another dude. You're not gonna kill a friend. Who wanna kill you? Thank you, boys. Now you should pay. Go until I'm gonna die. Which is not good. I'm too young to die. No, I'm gonna end it. Yes, dead heat. I killed you. Now we're gonna do a nice comeback again. Got another pistol, so let's use this one. Okay. Kill it. Yeah, we're gonna win this. Yeah! She's actually really good at this game. I'm not even joking. But before I can even congratulate, I need to get active. Oh crap. Oh, I just killed him. Dude, you just got wrecked. You already hurt. Really brave lion. You're not brave. You're really dumb. You're not brave at all. If you were brave, you would be coming at us. You ain't no lion. Also, that's what you get for not being a brave lion. Anyone else want to start? Oh, you just got wrecked. Oh, what the heck? He just died with one hit. I'm surprised. No ammo! I can use some like diamonds instead. Getting flavor. Brave Spirit killed me, and that's what I said. Frick you, Brave Spirit, I'm gonna get revenge. Revenge! Well, I mean, it's not really revenge, because I did not kill him. The other douchebag killed him. Not me. Yeah, we killed Brave Spirit. Hi, Lucky Gunner. No, you thief. I don't remember. Murderer. Gosh dang it, boy. You a murderer. Did you have to go here? Yeet. Hey, how we won. Oh, yeah. So close, actually. Yay. I won. I got the most kills. That's me, alright. They just got 4. I'm so surprised. But anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. If you enjoyed, please leave a like. And you can also tell me in the comment what games you would want me to play. And also subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.